Come on, let's get the package. Let's go get the package. Sorry, the number you dialed is disconnected. Go play outside. Oh no, are these two still different? Aren't both going out? You, be careful. You'll be tricked into getting a shot there. You're a bit but not much, little dog. Society is so awful, Mom. Oh, hurry, quick, let's go. Going. Yes, don't bark. I'm your fan. Slow down. Don't bark. Say hello. Say it. Little fan, can I take a photo? Yes. Here's a treat for you. Everyone follows you. I'll give you a treat. No, we need to maintain our beautiful. Can't bark. Hey! You. Oh. Ha. So smart. Okay, no more barking. Our family has a little dog too. Don't bark at big sister, okay? Okay, haha, okay. Okay, you can't. Say bye-bye. Okay now. Ready? No more barking. I'm getting the packet. 在这等我一下，你出来吧。快递要回家了，你再下来，不动啊。OK， 走，我们先把快递搁这儿，走吧。要是没有雨，带你去转一转，妈妈带你去对面走一走，好吗？
好，走了，快跑！
哇，好绿哦！这里啊，你看那么多小鸟，去追小鸟去，给你放一下。No one will let you off. I'm leaving. Yes, you got it. Play for a bit, then go home. Let's go. Take our package home for dinner. Sit here and rest. Let's go. Come, wipe the dust off your mouth. Lie down, blow the dust off, quick. Good job. Wait. Wait a bit. Don't rush. Okay, drink. Finish this bottle, then drink this one.